There. So the guy, that's the guy, Kuya Nestor hired a guy who fixed the window, and he fixed the temperature gauge. I don't know that, but we still need to come back again because he did not fix the fuel gauge, and they still have another one that he wants to fix. He says that it takes 2 days to fix it, and it's because it is computerized connection. It takes 2 days to repair that. I don't have idea what kind of the speedometer. Yes, the RPN. I don't know what RPN is. So that's where the guys will fix again, and then we will come back next week. So the guy, that's an expert for electric wiring. That's Kuya Nestor hire. Kuya Nestor is a good guy, really. And then I am just happy that my window in the car where I sat, it is functional, so that's okay.
Get some more.
I have,
Okay.
but I cannot reach that. I cannot reach.
Oh boy. Yeah, don't. You'll lose it.
That is so tall, I cannot reach.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Mess.
See how dirty the car. Can I walk here?
What? Well, no, you're driving inside.
Yeah. And it's getting late here now. It is 5:51. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.